3, 2, 1.
You're watching
Tico Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In today's video, I'll guide you through the complete process of activating the key for Arceus X Executor so you can unlock its full potential and take your Roblox experience to the next level. Before we begin, make sure you already have Arceus X installed on your device. If you don't, no worries, I've made a separate video explaining how to download and install Arceus X, and you can find the link in the description below. To start, open any Roblox game using Arceus X, and you'll immediately see the key activation screen. Tap on the Get Key button, and the activation link will be automatically copied. Next, open Safari, paste the link into the search bar, and you'll be redirected to the Arceus X Key System website. This site will guide you through a series of simple steps to generate your activation key. Begin with step 1 by tapping on the task provided. Complete the task, and you'll be redirected to a new page. Scroll down and tap on Get Arceus X Key System 1, then hit skip and wait for 10 seconds. Once the timer ends, tap Get Arceus X Key System 1 again to finalize step 1. Now move to step 2 by repeating the process. Hit complete, scroll down on the new page, and tap Get Arceus X Key System 2. Once again, hit skip, wait 10 seconds, and confirm by tapping Get Arceus X Key System 2 again. Finally, for step 3, tap on the last task, scroll down, and complete it by selecting Get Arceus X Key System 3. After hitting skip and waiting for the final 10 seconds, tap Get Arceus X Key System 3 to finish the activation process. Once all 3 steps are completed, you'll be prompted to hit Launch Arceus X. Confirm by selecting Open to finalize everything. Open any Roblox game again, and you'll now see the Arceus X logo, confirming that the Executor is fully activated and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully activated the Arceus X key and can now enjoy all the amazing features Arceus X has to offer in Roblox. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Skibby Tech, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy gaming!